So in other words, there is nothing, there's no diet that will work if you're not doing intermittent fasting, because impact of intermittent fasting is tremendous on the brain. It makes new brain cells in the hippocampus, which promotes memory and association. It increases our parasympathetic tone. So parasympathetic tone is one in which, as the parasympathetic tone goes up, your blood pressure comes down, your heart rate comes down, your heart rate variability improves. These are all good things. It improves the health of your blood vessels by doing all of these things, including glucose, insulin. It improves your heart, like I just pointed out, by reducing blood pressure and reducing heart rate. And it improves the health of your fat cells. The reason it improves the health of your fat cells is because it empties it. An empty fat cell is healthy because it makes more adiponectin. This is a hormone that a happy fat cell is releasing, saying that, hey, I'm good, I can take in more fat as you eat. There is an essential fatty acid argument, because essential fatty acids, EPA and DHA, are only found in animal sourced food, tuna, grass-fed meat, grass-fed cheese. Plant-based omega-3 is ALA, and although walnuts have a lot of it, the body does not convert ALA to DHA and EPA, which is what our brain needs. So I think that an optimal diet for humans is predominantly animal-based, because protein is more complete. We didn't talk about taurine, but it's an amino acid that is not found in plant that we need for health. For the fatty acids, the omega-3s, for B12, animal fat is more tolerant of cuisinivory. When you cook, animal fat tolerates that better. I think that we should eat protein in moderation, because I'm concerned about protein putrefaction in the colon, perhaps not desirable. I think we should cook our protein, especially as we get older. There is no diet that I can recommend without fasting, because fasting helps us by improving the health of our fat cells. If our fat cells are happy, we are happy. I think we should minimize starches and sugar, because our pancreas is simply not designed to handle that load. Now, my position on fiber is changing. I used to say fiber, totally unessential. But now I'm saying, hey, maybe the gut microbiome may be partially important. Have about 20 grams of fiber, but make sure, like somebody asked out here in the audience, that you boil it, steam it, okay? And individualize, because not all of us are similar. There are people who are so intolerant of any plant food that they get rapidly sick. And some people are lactose intolerant, and some people may have issues with animal food also. So individualizing is important.